Today's episode is 87's reaction to 40's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 83's snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hey, what's up? It's 87. I'm going to do a reaction on 40's Hoyu snore gets replaced with number block 83's snore, but I heard the audio sounding like it's spamming the word cure. But anyways, let's fly to the reaction.
Cure.
No, not really, that's mediocre, I have to say, I'm sorry. Well, that video was mediocre and not good enough, because when number block 83 snores, she spams the word cure when exhales. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 106.